Wow, this potato just realized he is a dog. I am dying. Ha, this kitty is acting crazy. I can watch this all day. Wait for it, this fluff ball just failed physics class, 10 out of 10. I swear, the pet is downloading a new update, lol. Wait for it, this criminal is trying to fly, pure chaos. Honestly, this cat is judging you silently, send help. Hey, the doggo is training for the Olympics, send help. Check this out, the pet just failed physics class, FBI open up.
Is it? Oh dear me.
Hey, the doggo is downloading a new update, cuteness overload. Dude, that dog is stuck in the Matrix, so funny.
Дайте мне.
I swear, this fluff ball is vibing too hard. What is going on? Hey, this golden retriever is questioning reality, best thing ever.
条。
Okay, but that husky is having an existential crisis, lol.
哎呦我天！ Dude, chill.
Listen, this legend is acting crazy, emotional damage. Hey, this furball is defying gravity, mood. Oh my god, this golden retriever is broken, my brain hurts.
Uma gata criou aqui dentro desse toco velho de cocheira. E o papagaio parou de dormir lá em casa e tá cuidando dos gatinhos.
OMG, this furball is vibing too hard, legendary. Wait for it, that kitten is stuck in the Matrix, same bro same.
It's okay.
Can you believe, that good boy just saw something, mood?
Okay.
Listen, this furball is broken, 10 out of 10.
Milo, let go. Milo.
Does that feel good, Liza?
Look at, the chunky boy is acting crazy, 10 out of 10.
Tuna.
No, I just redid all the decorations up there.
Oh my god, that dog is possessed by a demon, too wholesome.
Max,
Okay, but my spirit animal regrets everything.
Yes.
Legendary.
Chiro, I'm folding. Bro, get out of here.
Dude, this potato is downloading a new update. What a meme.
آره واقعا داشتم نگاهشون می‌کردم مدل موهات و میکاپت و لباس همتون خیلی خوشگل شد ببخشید
Guys, the doggo is stuck in the Matrix. Too cute.
Let's do it for real now. You heard, bro? I want to do it now. I want to go all the way up. I want to do it. Stop hiding. You hiding forever. Ricky.
Dude, that husky wants a refund on life. LOL. No way, this legend has 0 brain cells, pure chaos.
Get off. Get off.
Bro, my neighbor's dog wants some food. Emotional damage.
Stop.
Honestly, that dog wants some food. Too cute.
You wanna go? No, it's too cold. You need to stay here. Believe me.